Without a doubt, Facebook ads are the most consistent advertising platform I've ever used, and after spending a couple $1 million utilizing them for my e-commerce businesses, I've learned a couple things that I'll be sharing with you guys. So in this video, I'll be covering how to set up a basic retargeting ad that will help you target a group of people that have already shown interest in what you have to offer. And I'll be breaking down this strategy step by step in the most intuitive way I can. And I've been using these exact strategies to maintain and scale my own e-commerce businesses to ensure that my brand is consistently running at a high profit margin. If you're interested in learning how to use the Shopify Dropshipping method to transition into a legitimate brand, make sure to subscribe to my channel for new weekly videos. All right, so let's get into it. By the way, the setting has changed once again. I'm in a new WeWork, this time in Madrid, Spain. It's amazing here. I'm doing a Euro tour. Been to 6 other countries in the past month. Just having a good time, enjoying, but still making new videos, new content for you guys. As always, I'm gonna give you guys an update on my store and how I've been doing using these exact strategies that I teach you guys. So let's hop into my computer. All right, so we are live on my Shopify dashboard right now. And as you can see, it is 7 a.m. in the States. We're at $900 yesterday. Hit $5,298. This week has been $32,000, and then this month $82,000. It's looking like 130, maybe 150K a month, depending on if I plan to scale this store right now. Given you're watching this video, you likely already ran an ad before and collected data onto your website, so the strategy is not actually possible if you guys don't have sufficient data. So sufficient data being a website visit, add to cart, purchase, initiate checkout, or any engagement on your social media pages. So what we will be doing and structuring within this video, within your ads manager, is showing an ad to someone who has already shown interest in what you have to offer. So if they've gone onto your website, if they've added to cart a product onto your website, they're gonna be seeing another ad from your company. So the first thing that we need to ensure is that our audiences are compiled within a set block so that we can go in and target them later on in the future within our ads. All right, so let's hop into my computer within my ads manager and make some custom audiences. All right, so step 1 to creating custom audience is first to go onto your Facebook ads manager, go to the ad accounts, and now we're gonna hit this 3 little bar button, tools, and then we're gonna go to audiences right here. All right, so the first audience we are gonna create is a website visitor audience. Now this is gonna be people that have simply just visited your website in the past 30 days. We're gonna set the retention to 30 days for this one. Create custom audience, hit website, next. Okay, we select your pixel, right? All website visitors, 30 days, it's already pre-selected. So website visitor. Now that we have that audience, we're gonna go create our next audience, same thing, custom audience, website. This time we're gonna be selecting everyone that has added to cart in the past 30 days, but we are also going to exclude your purchases. So we're gonna select here, add to cart, 30 days, we're fine, okay? Exclude people. Now we're gonna select purchases. Purchase, 30-day retention as well. We're gonna create audience, done. Now we're gonna do the same thing with initiate checkout, people that have initiate checkout in the past 30 days that have not purchased. We're gonna go and initiate checkout. We're gonna exclude purchases once more. Create audience, done. All right, so now we're gonna go into video views, custom audience. We're gonna go into video. Next, we're gonna choose the content. We're gonna go 95, 75, and 50% of video views, okay? So first we're gonna go 95%, choose your video. We're gonna select a video. Here we're gonna go a little bit farther back and go 90 days. So everyone that has watched 95% or more of your videos in the past 90 days, you can select any video you want. For now, I'm just gonna set the example to 1 video. Done. Now we're gonna do the same thing for 75 and 50%. Next, choose 75%, choose the video, select it, confirm, 90, done. Last one's 50, confirm. All right, so now we're done with the video views. All we have to do is Instagram and Facebook engagement for our last ad set. So we're gonna go here, custom audience again. Now we're gonna go to Instagram account. Next, we'll do 90 days. All right, so we're gonna set this as well to 90 days. So this is anyone that has engaged with your Instagram account in the past 90 days. This could be a message, save Instagram post. This could be a liked image. Done. Now we have to do Facebook. Custom audience again. We're gonna go here to Facebook page. Next, see anyone that has engaged with your page in the past 90 days. Name this audience. We have created our audiences. Now all we have to do is piece together our campaign. So we're gonna go into Ads Manager and create our first campaign structured around website visitors. All right, so first we're gonna hit this create button. We're gonna go for conversions, continue, web events, name it basic. All right, so we're gonna be doing a $50 a day budget, and we're gonna have 3 of these campaigns. So I suggest for your retargeting, what you should attribute your retargeting budget to is, let's say you have $1,000 a day budget on ads in general, 15 to 20% you should be dedicating to retargeting. So since we're gonna have 3 campaigns, we're gonna do $150. First one's gonna be $50. The next 2 are gonna be $50 too. We're gonna create our first ad set. So this one's gonna be website. I'm gonna scroll down. Make sure that your conversion event is here and it's selected as purchase. We're gonna scroll down, select our custom audience right here, website visitor, right there, that one, 30 day. Now all this here, the location, the demographic, that's all gonna be overridden by this custom audience because this is exactly who we're gonna target, no one else. So we can scroll down. I like to keep it at auto placements. Now we're gonna go on to the ad portion. These are people within your funnel. They already know about your brand, so they've likely already seen your initial ad. So what I highly suggest is to change that ad. You don't want to show them the same exact ad. So within this retargeting campaign, you can either do a single image, you can do a carousel showcasing your product, or you can do another video. You can even add a discount in there. I suggest to keep some sort of scarcity. You don't want to give like a 70% off discount code. Maybe I'd say anything from 10 to 15%, no more than that. You're going to create this ad, add your carousel, your single image, and then of course, input all your cart information, add your text. Within this text, I would change up the text. I would change up the video or the ad, like I said, and then you're going to here put your URL, select your domain, and then you're going to publish this ad set. But once you go here, we're not done yet. So I'm just going to put a random website for now, just so it allows me. So here's this. We got to create 2 more for the other events. So we're going to duplicate this twice. Now we're just going to piece together the other audiences that we created. So we're going to go here, select the first one. This one's going to be the initiate checkout, past 30 days with the exclusion of purchases, right? Initiate checkout, exclusion of purchases. You can just copy this, name it right there. Now that's all good. The only variable within all these ad sets is the audience, right? Because we want to figure out what is working, what isn't working, and then slowly start to narrow down from there. Everything's all set up. Remember that you want to be editing your ad, inputting all that information, and then once that's good, this is the completion of the first campaign. All right, so now that we've properly structured our ad sets within our campaign, we're gonna let this publish, and we're gonna let it go active after it's in review and gets approved. Okay, so now we're gonna go in and create our other 2 campaigns. Now the next one is going to be structured around video views. So we're gonna go in, this is video view, and now remember the budget, 3 campaigns are each gonna be $50, $150 a day budget. We're gonna go to custom audiences. We're gonna select our 50% video view. Bam, auto placements. Next, we're gonna select our Instagram account, select the page. All right, so now for the ad portion, you're gonna be doing the same thing that you did to the last one. You're just gonna be changing up the video. Now, these are people that have already watched your video, the videos that you selected, for more than a certain percentage, right? So this one's 50%. Now, you don't wanna show them the same video. Either change the video, add a carousel, add a single image. All right, cool, so now we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna go and duplicate this ad set, so it duplicates the ads as well. The original campaign, duplicate. And we're just gonna be inserting our other audiences. And so the reason why I like to go in and separate these campaigns, or these audiences rather, is so that when I let these run for a 2-week period, I figure out what is working best and then slowly start to narrow down from there. If I notice that the 75% for 2 weeks straight has averaged, 1 point, 2 points above my break-even ROAS, then I'm gonna be utilizing the 75% more, or the 75%, the 50% are hitting. I'm gonna focus on those and then exclude the 95%. Maybe not use 95% as much. All right, perfect. So this is how we set up the video view campaign. We're gonna go in and create our very last campaign. Simply create button again, conversions, and then in basic. Once again, $50. Scroll down. Remember, everything, all this demographic gets overridden if we just go and select this custom audience. Now, this will not happen if you don't have a custom audience in place. So if you are just cold targeting, make sure that you fill in all the demographic targeting. All right, there we go. Engage Instagram 90 days. Next, we go under ad. We do the same exact thing that we did on the last one. So I'm just gonna skip this process real quick. Now we're gonna include our Facebook engagement. All right, so that's how we'd go about creating our final campaign. Now, if we go back, let these publish. We're gonna have our 3 campaigns, $50 a budget a day each. Now you're gonna let these run for about 2 weeks, and after that 2-week period, start to cut off what is not profitable. And in the next video, I'm gonna go about how to scale your retargeting ads. But this is essentially the basic idea of how to structure a retargeting campaign to target back to people that already have an interest in your brand. Now keep in mind, Facebook attribution is not the best, so that when you are running your ads and you see the return on ad spend portion, if you think that it's a lot lower, make sure to compare your Shopify sales to what the conversion value is on Facebook. So I would go in and multiply the percentage missing from your Shopify sales. Before I end this video, I want to announce the winner of the free one-on-one call giveaway. The winner is NFT Just Say. Congratulations. Please send me a message on Instagram and I will get back to you for a scheduled time. Now remember that all you have to do to enter these giveaways is 1, be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and comment below which place you want to travel to sometime this new year. And remember, if you guys are looking to learn how to build a legitimate business, a legitimate brand using the Shopify Dropshipping method, make sure to watch my videos and subscribe for new videos each week. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.